How to accomplish a winning negotiation? We negotiate all the time. If you carefully analyze your speech from morning till night, from morning when the time you get up till you sleep, you will find that you have been negotiating throughout the day with your spouse, your child, your help, your neighbor, in fact, whomsoever you talk to. You always try to do any of the following things. You try to influence. When you answer any question, you want to be sounding convincing. If you are buying a car, you want the other family members should readily accept your choice, your brand, your color. Whenever there is a difference of opinion on anything, secretly you want that everyone should accept your viewpoint, your preference. But does it happen? Does it happen that way all the time? No way. That is the reason you have to practice. That's the reason you have to understand what is a winning negotiation and then try to attract it. There are 8 elements of a winning negotiation practice. Because of the various considerations, these elements have to be used in different situations at different times. But understanding them thoroughly and developing an ability to imbibe these is very important. Element number 1. When you are talking to a colleague, you care for both your position and relations. It means that you don't want to give in when your opinion differs, but at the same time you would want to maintain cordial relations. Let's call it consideration of position and relations. Element number 2. When there is a situation that you have a claim on something which the other person is also claiming, you need to rely on and concept, not either or concept. When you work on and approach, your long-term benefits far exceed the short-term gain in the either or tussle. Likewise, element number 3, when you have to choose among your profit, other person's profit, and relationships, you should try to strike a perfect balance with your application of mind and the demands of the situation. Element number 4, a very important message for a healthy, happy life is to engage people with mutual benefits. Mutual benefits in view. Breaking the line of communication for whatever reason brings only one result. What is that? Physical or emotional upsetting or physical or emotional loss. Therefore, give preference to useful engagement and decide never to break communication line. Element number 5. This message is very important. Many negotiations fail if you ignore this important insight. Whenever you are on a negotiating table for a hard bargain, set these 2 simple but strict rules. What are these? No hot words by any of the party to be used. No personal attack. It should be only issues discussed pleasantly and convincingly. Above all, you must listen to each other. Remember, it is said first understand and then be understood. Element number 6. Now think of 2 circles partly overlapping each other. One circle represents your interests, while the other stands for the interest of the other person. because these are partly overlapping, you will find a common ground. This should be the area to work on. Common ground means that both of you have some common interests. You need to focus on these common interests. Element number 7. Another important element of healthy and successful negotiation is that you should not be obsessed with winning outcome. After all, negotiation is not an Olympic race where you must stand first and win gold. Instead, it should be seen as an opportunity where you get a chance of resolving a pending problem that has been bothering you and developing a fresh relationship. So, no winning obsession under any circumstances. Finally, element number 8, an advice with which you should start. You must try to eliminate the worst fears of the other person. Right in the beginning, the initiative will create a congenial environment where thoughts are exchanged cordially and issues are discussed convincingly put forth. Every challenge of life can be gracefully yet resolutely met. So, why not derive a winning negotiation always? Why not practice these 8 elements until these become a part of your personality? They are going to help you throughout your life. Thank you.